The FBI received a detailed complaint against Jeffrey Epstein in 1996, involving allegations of child sexual abuse material. Justice brought sex trafficking charges against him. The complaint was publicly released on December 19th as part of a broader disclosure under the Epstein Files Transparency Act. Although the document was heavily redacted and did not identify the complainant by name, artist Maria Farmer and her legal counsel confirmed that the complaint was hers. According to handwritten notes on the FBI complaint form, the complainant stated that she was a professional artist who had taken photographs of her 12 and 16-year-old sisters for personal artwork. The notes allege that Epstein stole the photographs and was believed to have attempted to sell them to potential buyers. The document further states that Epstein requested photographs of young girls at swimming pools and threatened the complainant, warning that he would burn her house down if she disclosed the existence of the images. The complaint is dated September 3, 1996, clearly identifies Jeffrey Epstein as the subject, and classifies the case as child pornography, the legal term used to describe child sexual abuse material. Maria Farmer, who has also accused Epstein and his associate Ghislaine Maxwell of sexually assaulting her, said the release of the document was emotionally significant. She stated that while the disclosure validated her long-standing claims, it also underscored the failure of federal law enforcement to protect other victims. Farmer's attorney explained that the stolen images were stored in a locked box and cataloged as part of Farmer's graduate-level art studies. Farmer discovered the images were missing while she was staying at Epstein's Ohio property in the summer of 1996. According to a civil lawsuit filed this year, Epstein and Maxwell allegedly transported the images across state lines by airplane, an act that constitutes a federal crime. Flight records show Epstein traveled multiple times from Columbus, Ohio, to the New York area during August and September 1996. Despite Farmer reporting the allegations to both the New York Police Department and the FBI, no child pornography charges were ever brought against Epstein. Legal experts argue that child sexual abuse material cases are often easier to prosecute than sexual assault or trafficking cases because they rely on tangible evidence such as photographs and videos. Nevertheless, federal authorities did not pursue such charges. In 2007, prosecutors attempted to seize Epstein's computers and hard drives, believing that individuals who exploit minors often retain recorded evidence of their crimes. However, Epstein's legal team resisted these efforts and negotiated a non-prosecution agreement that allowed him to plead guilty to lesser state-level offenses. Although Epstein was charged with sex trafficking in 2019, child pornography charges were again absent from the indictment. Federal authorities later acknowledged that Epstein-related files contained more than 10,000 illegal images and videos. Maria Farmer continues to seek the release of additional government documents and has filed a civil lawsuit alleging negligence by federal agencies. She argues that critical warnings, evidence, and reports were ignored, allowing Epstein to continue abusing victims for years without accountability.